Tired of your iPad looking like a digital junk drawer? Today, we're showing you how to banish unwanted apps, reclaim storage, and give your iPad a fresh, clean start. First, let's try the classic method: the long press. Find the app you want to delete, press and hold your finger on its icon. Don't just tap, keep holding. After a moment, the app icons will start to wiggle and a small X will appear in the corner of the app you press. Tap that X. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the app. It will warn you that deleting the app will also delete its data. Make sure you're okay with this. If you're ready to say goodbye, tap delete. The app will disappear from your home screen. There's another way to do this: to open the Settings app on your iPad. In the Settings menu, tap General. Next, tap iPad Storage. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your iPad and how much space they're using. Scroll through the list and tap on the app you want to remove. On the app's information screen, you'll see a Delete App button. Tap it. Just like before, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to remove the app and all its associated data. And that's it. 2 easy ways to delete apps on your iPad, helping you free up storage, declutter your screen, and keep your device running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPad tips and tricks. #iPad tips, #app management.